Hey all, quick review of this blower vac. You get these accessories that come in the box. They're all listed on the Amazon site, and you get these 2 packs of Super Magic cleaning gel. So, you know, probably not going to use them, but you get them as well. And then this is the actual vac. So right now what I've done is I've attached this to the back so I could use it both as a blower and a vacuum. So if I turn it on, I get suction here, and I get 2 speeds, and then if I want to use it as a blower, I turn it this way, and you can see it on my hand. If I take this, you see that it's does a pretty good job of blowing as well. So that's it there, 2 speeds, and then you press down on the button to turn it off. You have cartridges in here, and you have a filter there that you can put in as well, and again these different attachments and a USB-C cord to power it up, and the USB-C port is in the bottom here to power it up. So there you go, nice little unit. The thing I really like about this is it does both jobs. It vacuums and